Today I'm going to show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from a Ledger hardware wallet to Binance. Navigate to the Accounts tab in Ledger Live. Select the cryptocurrency account you want to transfer from. Click on it and then hit the Send button. Now you'll need the Binance deposit address. So let's switch to Binance. Go to Wallet and select Fiat and Spot. Find the cryptocurrency you want to deposit and click Deposit. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Go back to Ledger Live and paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient address field. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click Continue. Confirm the transaction details on your Ledger device. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. Your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Ledger to Binance. Make sure to check Binance to confirm the deposit.